Union Home and Corporation Minister Amit Shah has stressed the need for a different strategy to cooperatives to every panchayat of the country. Inaugurating the day-long National Conference of Rural Cooperative Banks in New Delhi today, Shah said that a 5-year strategy is required for primary agricultural credit societies or PACs in each panchayat, as 2 lakh panchayats are yet to have PACs. He said government has approved computerization of PACs with the objective of increasing their efficiency and bringing transparency and accountability to their operations.
ये 95,000 पैक्स, 14,000 ब्रांचेस डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोऑपरेटिव बैंक्स की, 2,000 ब्रांचेस स्टेट कोऑपरेटिव बैंक की, ये सब कुल मिलाकर मिला ले तो हमारे सामने एक मजबूत आधार हमारे पुरखों ने बनाकर आज दिया है। इस बेस के आधार पर, इस नींव के आधार पर एक मजबूत इमारत आजादी के अमृत वर्ष में बनाने का हमारा संकल्प होना चाहिए।